Want to speak real Cantonese from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at CantoneseClass101.com.
Hi everybody, Olivia here. Welcome to Ask a Teacher, where I'll answer some of your most common Cantonese questions. The question for this lesson is, what is the way to express tenses in Cantonese? Cantonese verbs don't change form according to the tense. Rather, we use time words to indicate whether something will happen tomorrow, is happening now, or happened yesterday. The Cantonese language relies heavily on the use of adverbs to communicate what English and many other languages do with different verb tenses. Let's see this in more detail. First, let's see how to express the past tense. In Cantonese, we don't conjugate verbs as in English. Rather, we place a specific character after a verb to show that the action took place in the past. To indicate that you have already done an action, simply use this formula. Verb plus 咗 equals to past tense. 咗. For example, 學咗, studied or learned. 食咗, ate. So some of you may ask, what is the difference between 食過 and 食咗? Generally speaking, we use 咗 for a completed action, while we use 過 to indicate previous experience. For example, 我去咗, I went. 我去過, I have been before. 過 is the major alternate particle used to communicate aspect completion. As with the sentence, 我去過香港, I have been to Hong Kong. 我去過香港, I've been to Hong Kong. While both 咗 and 過 are indicators of past tense, 咗 stresses the neutral completion of the action, while 過emphasizes that the action had taken place in the past. Finally, let's see how to express the future tense. To express future tense in Cantonese, we usually place the character 會, will, in front of the verb. For example, 會去, will go. 會食, will eat. How is it? Pretty easy, right? Do you have any more questions? Leave them in the comments below and I'll